This is recent one design for customer. As customers' requirement, this design include Paddy dryer machine, Paddy silo and rice mill machine line. First is Paddy dryer machine parts include below details. After the grain enters the hole, Paddy inlet thought elevator, then go to Paddy clean machine. Paddy clean machine can remove stock, impurity get clean Paddy. Then Paddy though elevator go to scraper conveyor. Scraper conveyor can transport Paddy to each Paddy dryer machine. After Paddy full of Paddy dryer machine, Paddy burner use fire like would support heat for dryer machine. Hot air enters the drying layer for circulating drying. The drying layer adopts scientific air duct design in combination with a fan, allowing the grain to be heated more evenly and dried more efficiently. And dryer machine working as heat cycling. After dry, Paddy though elevator go to Paddy Supplier. Then go to rice mill machine line. Include Paddy clean machine. Paddy Destoner Machine. Paddy Holler Machine. Paddy Separator Machine. Three sets rice mill machine. Rice grater machine. Water polisher machine. Color sorter machine. Rice bin. rice packing machine and bag closer.